I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily. Jump in right into the market. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Right now, the Bitcoin bulls are losing this key level. We can come in here, mark this trend line. I mean, you don't want to see, you have this double top that could be confirmed here. If so, you get a breakdown of this level at about 33,500. You'll come down here to about 32,800, right? The most important thing is it's fine for Bitcoin to work in this range, right? Totally healthy. Bitcoin takes a little bit of break before taking off again. What you do not want to see, drag it over. You do not want to see the bulls lose 31,800 because everything is jumping right out the window for Bitcoin. So again, you just want to see sideways price action. Essentially, weekend can be a little bit boring. If Bitcoin had more of a bullish stature, potentially we get better altcoin trading this weekend, but Bitcoin looking weak here because the stock market, it's getting killed. I mean, the stock market has been wrecked city. This is the ES1 S&P E-mini futures, and it is getting wrecked. Now, we talked about the Bitcoin weekly chart. All we need is the Bitcoin bulls to hold above 31,800. Give me a weekly close above this level. Do not lose this level. Otherwise, massive fake out, right? So we just need to close the week above this level. That's it. A few more days. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my leverage trading group. The best way to trade this market is being able to trade the market both ways. If you want to join the leverage group right now, you get 60% off. All you have to do is go to cryptorev.net and you get an extra $100 off using leverage 100. Using leverage 200, you get $200 off the year and a free month. So again, leverage traders are killing it, being able to trade. If it's a choppy weekend and you see some downside and you're able to profit, that changes the game forever. We're banger after banger after banger all the time. You're ready to make money in all market conditions. I can help you. Fake Bitcoin ETF rumors. How many times have we seen them? So back here, breaking. Hold on to your hats, folks. ETF is coming in 24 hours and nuke. And then YouTuber stated ETF approval reported in 24 hours and nuke. Then you see ETF reportedly expected to be approved in 24 hours and then sideways chop. And then breaking rumors circulating that approval of Bitcoin ETF is expected in 24 hours and sideways chop. And breaking 24 hours to go for Bitcoin spot ETF approval. It's really obvious what's about to happen, right? But when is it going to happen? I'm not going to say, hey, in 24 hours. Eventually, at some point, Bitcoin ETF is going to get approved. They're running out of reasons to say no. However, breaking, this was yesterday, ETF approval reported in 24 hours. 536,000 people saw this. Don't let this wear you out, right? That is a narrative that will... I mean, here it definitely didn't help the price, right? But it's coming. We're getting closer. The halving is coming. You've got crazy price action. Bitcoin's broke levels that hasn't been able to break 31,800. We go back here. I mean, Bitcoin's breaking levels that are insane. To build a bullish narrative, you have to hold this level. So don't get frustrated. This weekend isn't amazing trading. Now, 1 inch. A lot of times when you see these coins just at all-time lows after they got wrecked and they're moving sideways, these are good coins to accumulate. So 1 inch in the third quarter maintained its status as a leading DEX aggregator in crypto. They've got 50% share and over $20 billion in volume. 1 inch, if he got back up to these levels, previous levels, I mean, this is an easy 40x coin. DEX aggregators, right? It's going to essentially compare all the prices on all the DEXs and find you the best rates. Just think about all the nonsense we have in crypto, especially in the United States, and DEXs are the future. So 1 inch, a good 40x coin pick, it's going to take some time, right? These altcoins are going to cycle higher. These altcoins have a ton of work to do. Bitcoin first has to be the leader. But if you're patient, I mean, this is a coin that just hasn't taken off yet. 1 inch, banging. Bitcoin dominance. Part of the market cycle right now is Bitcoin is supposed to steal the show. We want to see this continue higher and Bitcoin move to higher prices. That is how the market cycle will drag the altcoins a lot higher, right? But we're waiting. The best altcoin conditions for trading are when this thing starts to fall and pull back. But you got to have Bitcoin pull all the new money into the market first, right? And so we've had amazing runs. I just really want to, real quick, I use CoinGecko, and I go through, and here's how I found some of the good coin picks I gave you recently. We talked about Link. We talked about INJ. We nailed TRB and group. So what you can do is you go to categories here and you go to 7-day percentages and you see, okay, what type of coins are moving best? And then I'll go and I'll look to find other coins that are similar that can take off too. So you go to oracles, Chainlink, which we nailed every which different direction, right? We started buying here August 31st and it's broken out and we're up ridiculous amounts of money. I shared it with you guys on the channel. It was up here higher after the breakout. It's always by the breakout. We're up 90%, right? Based on this idea. But if you bought the breakout, you're still up 40%. I mean, you tell me the stock market definitely isn't doing 40% profits. The stock market's getting wrecked. But what you do is you go, okay, Chainlink is pumping. Now, what about TRB? TRB has been on fire. It is crazy what TRB has done over time. And then I charted Band. Band just, I mean, it hasn't taken off yet, right? So this is just a good way to look. There's going to be a point where all these coins will run together, like they'll run in bunches, right? And so I just want to make sure that you understood like how to go to CoinGecko, go to categories, search these coins by categories, and then you got to look at the charts. One of the best charts, and this, I gave it to you on YouTube. One of the best charts is this. This is INJ. And I gave it to you guys, and we're up about 45% since I gave you INJ not too long ago on a video. Like you got this almost big, like cup and handle type price action, right? Cup and handle, and then break out to the upside. Now you're going to have a bunch of sellers stacked here. But INJ, it's a 40x coin pick. Link, easy 20x. Link, easy 20x. Right? And then just like we talked about, 1 inch hasn't even taken off yet. You can do 40x. Easy 40x. Remember, if you don't understand some of these ideas, it's just jumping into crypto, join my spa group. I can teach you all of this. It changed this changed my life forever. I got 5,000 winning stories of people that changed their life, teaching them how to trade. But you got to be in the right coins, period.